Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. Today we discuss about numbers. Chapter name Numbers, your 6th chapter. Learning about numbers is very interesting. Counting numbers. So the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Counting numbers. 1 is the smallest counting number. 1 is the smallest counting number. It is not possible to just the largest counting number. It is not possible to say which is the largest counting number. Counting numbers is known as natural numbers. Counting numbers, two types. Which are they? Odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. In this chapter, the continuation of the chapter inside numbers in 5th standard. Continuation of the chapter inside numbers in 5th standard. You have already studied to find the factors of the number. To find the factors of numbers. In this chapter, we are discussing arrangement of factors. Arrangement of factors. Write down in a chapter name numbers, counting numbers. Write down, take your notebook. Counting numbers. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. These are counting numbers. Counting numbers are they are used counting. They are used counting. It is known as natural numbers. It is known as natural numbers. It is known as natural numbers. Odd numbers. 1. Only 1. 1 is the smallest counting numbers. It is not possible. It is not possible to say which is the largest counting numbers. Counting numbers. Okay. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. They are used counting. They are used counting. It is known as natural numbers. It is known as natural numbers. 1 is the smallest counting number. Counting number. It is not possible to say which is the largest counting numbers. It is not possible. It is not possible to say which is the largest counting number. Odd numbers odd numbers. Next, numbers ending in the digit is numbers ending in the digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all the odd numbers. The numbers ending in the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all the odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Numbers ending in the digits is number ending in the digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all the odd numbers. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Numbers ending in the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all the even numbers. Put the box. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Numbers ending in the digits are all 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. Write down. Okay. All of you listen. Next, let's make a rectangle. Let's make a rectangle. This activity is to remind idea factor. This activity to remind idea factor. To draw a rectangle, it's a rectangle. It is a rectangle. 20 dots. To make 20 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rectangle, 20 dots with dots wides are 5 dots. 5 dots are wide and 4 dots are height. 5 dots are wide. 5 dots are wide. 4 dots are high. High. 4 dots are high and 5 dots are wide. 4 into 5, 20. 4 dots are high. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 dots are wide, height, and wide dots are 5. 4 into 5 or 5 into 4s are 20. 20 is the product of these number. 20 is the product of this number. 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 5, 20. 20 is the product of this number. And 4 and 5 is the factor of 20. 4 and 5 is the factor of 20. Okay, next can make other rectangle rearrange the dots. Other can make other rectangle rearrange the dots. The same dots. Dots are 20. Dots are 20 to rearrange. Rectangle, rearrange the 20. Okay, rearrange the dots. Can we make other rectangle? Rearrange the dots. Wide dots are 10. Height dots are 2. 2 dots are high and wide dots are 10. 10 into 2s are 20. Okay. Next, 2 into 10s are 20. 20 is the product of this number. 2 into 10s are 20. 10 into 2s are 20. 20 is the product of this number and the factor of 10 and 2. Next, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 dots. Wide dots are 20. Wide dots are 20. And heights are 1 dots. 20 into 1s are 20. Okay. 20 into 1s are 20. 20 is the product and 20 is the factor. 1 and 20 is the factor of 20 and 20 into 1 is the product of 20. 1 which is the factor of every number. 1 which is the factor of every number. Write down 1 which is the factor of every number. Okay, which is the factor of every number. Let's write down next activity. Activity. Different rectangle. Different rectangle with 24 dots. 24 dots. Also write down the number of dots, the width and the height. Width and the height. Write down. May I clean the board? Repeated multiplication. Next side heading, repeated multiplication. Repeated multiplication. Repeated multiplication. Next side heading, factors and repeated multiplication. 1 and number is self. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. All composite number have more than 2 factors. All composite number have more than 2 numbers. Write down. 1 and number itself, or composite number have more than 2 factors. Write down. Or composite number have more than 2 factors. 1 and number itself, or composite number have more than 2 factors. For example, 32. Example 32. How many times 3? 2 in how many times? 1 times. 1. Balance 1 is 12. How many times? 2 in 12? 6. Next, prime numbers. To select the prime numbers is 2. 8 times. And next 2. 4. Okay. 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into is 2. 2 is 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Factor is the prime numbers, and factors are 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Total number of factor 6 number. Okay. 6 numbers of factor. 6 numbers of factor. Write down your notebook. This is the factor. To find the factor 32, the prime numbers of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is total 32. Fraction of factor of factor of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Total number of 6. Write down. Next number 81. Find factor. Find factors. Find factor 81. The number of 81. 81. One place is odd number. To select the prime factor, prime numbers. To select the prime number 3. 3. How many times 3 in 8? How many times 3 in 27? 9. How many times 3 in 9? 3. Prime factors or prime numbers are 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. 3 into 3s are 9. 3 into 3s are 9. 9 into 9s are 81. Factor of 81. This is the factor. This is the factor of 81. 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Okay. To find the factor of the number 81, prime numbers, and thus the factor of 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay. Do you understood? Any doubt? Okay, next number 256. 256. To select the prime numbers 2. Okay, next 2. Next 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. This is the prime numbers of the 256. We get factor of we get the factor of 256 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 8 and 256. Total number of factor is 9. Okay, total number of factor is 9. Write down your notebook. Okay. Next number 625. 625. To find the factor and the prime numbers. To find next number 625. 625. 5 is the odd number. To select the 5. How many times in 6 in 1 times? Balance? Balance? 1, 12. How many times? 2 times. So balance 25. How many? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 25 are 625. The factor 1, 5, 25, 125 and 625. Okay. Total factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of 5 number. Total factor is 5 number. Okay. Next side heading prime factors. Prime factors. To arrange the factors. Prime factors to arrange the factors. How do we find the factor of 16? The only product of two number. Only product of 2 number. Writing is 16. 16. Prime factors is prime number is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4 are 16. The prime factors of 16s are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Next, writing is the prime numbers or prime factors, and next the product of 2. Expect 1 and the 2 the product of 2 2's 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Next 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. The factor of 16. Factor of 16 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. The factor of 1 is 1 which factor is every number. Okay. Next 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 is the factor of 16. And next 16 into 3. 16 into 3, then we get 48. 48. You can find the 48 the prime numbers and factors. 48. How many times 4? 2. Okay. What's the factor of 48? Factor of 48 is 1, 6, 12, 4, 48. Okay. What if we take 2's and 3? 2's and 3 to make a table. 2's and 3 to make a table. So listen. Arrangement of the table. Without 3. Without 3. Without 3. The first box is the without 3 and with 3. With 3. Without 3. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And make the table without 3. Without 3 is the factor of these numbers of 2. 2 is the factor. 16. These numbers are 2's product of these numbers. 2's product of this number. It is not 3. 1 into 3. 1 into, yes, listen. 1 into 3's are 3. Okay. Next, 2 into 3's are 6. Next, yes, got it? The first row is the relation between the second row with 3. The first row is the relation between second row with 3. 1 into 3's are 3. Okay. 2 into 3's are 6. 4 into 3's are 12. Okay. 8 into 3's are 24. Got it? Next, 16 into 3's are 48. Okay. Do you understood? Any doubt? Okay. Write down in your notebook. Next activity. Okay, write down next activity. 144 to make a table. Arrangement the table. First to find the factor, prime numbers to make a table. Times in 1 times balance 6, 8. Okay. To make a table, 1 2, 2 2s, 1 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 2s, and 4 2s. No 3, without 3, okay. 1 3, 1 3, okay. Next 2 3s, 2 3s, okay. 1 Next 3 into 3s are the second row relation with the third row. 3 into 3s are 9, okay. 3 into 3s are 9. 6 into 3s are okay. Write down in a notebook. Do you understood? Any doubt? To arrangement the factor. To find the prime numbers and to find the factors 1, 3, 9, 18, 16, 72 and 144. To find the factors, to arrange the arrangements of the table. Write down. Okay, write down. May I clean the board? Next number 200. Next number is 200. Hundred, 50, 1. Factor is 1, 5, 25, 50, 100 and 200. Okay. Make a box. Now 2, 1 2, 2 2s and 3 2s. 1 2 3, 3 2s. And next next 5 with no 5 and 1 5. Next 2 5. next relation 25, 50 and 20 into 5 is 100 and 8 into 5 is 200. Okay, write down. Do you understood? Any doubt? To find the factors and rearrange the order of table in 200. Okay, next listen to the chart. Okay, listen. Find all the factors of the numbers below. Find all the factors of numbers below 720 prime numbers to find the factors and rearrange the table. Rearrange the table. Write down in our notebook rearrangement the table. Okay, number of 2. How many number of 2? Number of 1, number of 2, number of 3, number of 4. The 4 number. And 3 into 3. 2 number 1, 3 and 2 3s. In the relationship the first number with the second number and second number with the second row with the third row. Okay. To find the multiply. 15 into 3s are 45, 30 into 3s are 90, 60 into 3s are 180 and 120 into 3s are 360, 240 into 3s are 720. Next, write the factors of 1000 in a table. To find the table prime numbers with a factor and to rearrange the table. Okay. How many numbers? 3 numbers in 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 prime numbers and 5, 2, 5 5 is the 2 numbers. 1, 5, 2, 5 and 3 5s. Okay. Just write down your notebook. Today's class is over. All students should read and study. Bye.